Hi guys, Glen here from Metro Hobbies at Box Hill. Well, with winter almost over, spring is just around the corner, and with a new season comes a new project. Got a great idea for a start-off project anyway, which I think you're going to love. These two great kits, 1/72 scale BF109s, both E4s, the Special Hobby kit and the new AZ Model kit are both excellent kits to start off the season with. Just check out some of the detail in this kit. It's amazing. It has rivet detail, full engine detail, and awesome recessed panel lines that are quite remarkably and precise. They are beautiful models and would make an excellent kit to start off this new season with. They also have, I should say, they also have no less than 4 decal options, which is great, especially for the Ballad Britain fans out there. Excellent kit. The other one I love too is the AZ Models 1/72 scale BF109 E-4, which is the Aces over the channel. Again, this is an excellent kit. Not as sophisticated or as detailed as the Special Hobby kit, but it's still an excellent model. Excellent detail all around. This gives you 3 decal options. You have got France or August 1940, France late 1940, and again another France in 1940. So, excellent kit, great detail, easy build, an excellent start to this new season. So guys, if you're looking at something small to begin with, spring is just around the corner, like I said, start with those. Excellent stuff. Until next time, stay safe.